We have 2 thumbs up on field 1. That means drivers hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 73 here on Jones. In the near launch zone, we have the Flying Saucers, who are joined by 7Cs, both cycling through those artifacts that are filling up their ramps.
Drivers,
The red
pick up
alliance
your
has
controllers.
filled up their ramp as we near the end of autonomous, with the blue lines almost doing the same. It is about a 20-point game here as we enter the driver-operated period.
1.
And we are off. Quickly Got Robot has decided to empty the ramp to make room for more artifacts to go in to prevent those overflow, to give them some more points, as they, along with their teammate in the near launch zone, 7Cs, is doing the same. They're taking over from the near. They're staying from afar. We do have a lot of collisions in this back launch zone, as Got Electric Legend, as Got Robot is fighting with Flying Saucers for that chance to launch out that far launch zone. That leaves this near launch zone pretty much uncontested, as we have Electric Legends open that gate and join their teammate in the near launch zone to fill it up. The two of them are going quickly, while the red team has divided their efforts. One of them, big 7C, staying in the near launch zone, joined by their teammate Got Robot, staying afar to make sure that they have as much separation as possible so that they do not get in each other's way. As we near the final 30 seconds of gameplay, we have a choice that is left to make. Are these robots gonna fill up those ramps one more time? Or will they even do it in sequence with the motif? Motifs earn them extra points, including raking points, which is rare to see these days. It does not appear that that is the choice that either team is taking at the moment, but time will tell. As we near the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The Blue Alliance will take the victory with a score of 241 to 174. 4 ranking points for Blue means upward motion into the top 20 for both teams.